The High Court has moved to ease the pain of the budget cuts in the judiciary that has seen some courts shut down over a cash crunch. Justice Makau Mutua has stopped the executive from implementing any further cutbacks affecting the judiciary and asked Treasury to release all funds owed to the courts, pending the hearing and determination of a suit filed by the Law Society of Kenya challenging Treasury's circular. NTV's Silas Apollo begins our broadcast with those developments.
It was a first-round win for the judiciary after the High Court today called for the release of funds to courts against an advice by the Treasury. High Court Judge James Makau suspended a circular issued by Acting Treasury CS Ukur Yatani last week and which targeted the expenditures of government institutions and departments. And now the court says the circular which slashed the allocation to the judiciary by half stands lifted. Justice Makau also ordered for the release of all funds owed to the judiciary. The judge says the status quo will remain pending the hearing and determination of a suit filed by the Law Society of Kenya, and that Treasury should find alternative sources of money to send to the courts, including drawing funds from the Consolidated Fund account. LSK moved to court last week to oppose the circular issued by Yatani, saying his actions were a gross violation of the Constitution, which advocates for an independent judiciary.
If you look at the budget cuts, you will see that there is no rationality. There are budget cuts to the judiciary and to certain other organs, but there are aspects of the judiciary, which of the executive, which have not suffered those budget cuts.
We have money for BBI. We have money to do political referendums, but we don't have money for the justice of this country.
The judiciary has been reeling under a backlog of cases amid a growing pressure from the public. A number of courts across the country, like in Mombasa and Nakuru, have already given notices to lawyers and the public to consolidate cases or defer them due to lack of funds.
When you cut the budget of the judiciary, you are not hurting the Chief Justice. You are not hurting the judges. You are hurting the public.
LSK says the cuts will not only have an immediate effect on the administration of justice, but will also have ripple effects to the other arms of government. As the judiciary, the Law Society of Kenya and the Treasury awaits the mention of the case on November 6th, Justice Makau now wants the Judicial Service Commission to give a detailed response on how the budget cuts have affected the administration of justice. Silas Apollo, NTV.